Any mistake which you felt that, okay, next time if I get a chance, I'll change it. What will that be?
There is no such thing. Actually, I've learned from all my mistakes. There have been mistakes which you have done under stress, that you have been loud to somebody. These things, it cannot be taken back. But if given an opportunity, I would still today would like to go back to those situations where I've got angry on somebody, or behaved stupidly. But these things happen. See, I started as a only a 23-year-old boy who have a lot of dreams but don't know how to achieve those dreams. Only had some basic ethics and principles. So I have learned a way. If I have been harsh with somebody, those are the things which doesn't go with my nature. But you be silent. Silent people also do get angry sometimes, and they don't like more than anybody else. They only don't like it after that next moment. They only feel sorry about it. So only, if you ask me, Lakshmi, these are the only these things which I would like to go back, and it would have been better if I had not done this, because I myself feel ashamed of those. But situations are such that there are so many pressures over you, and with those I've learned to handle pressures. I'm a perfectionist in the house, in the clinic only. Otherwise, I'm not a perfectionist. In the clinic, I want everything, everything perfect.
In the clinic,
I'm
you
a
are
very
like
lazy person.
perfectionist.
Otherwise, I'm a very in the clinic, I want everything perfectly. But there is a limit. The interpersonal relationships you have to understand. You can't be, somebody is doing same mistake, your staff basically, who is working along with, they are your hands, they are your extensions. They see my face, I just say one word, they bring 10 things. They know there are 10 things needed with this one word. So now that kind of a rapport you have to build. I save time. I don't like I used in my younger age, I used to see the operations which would be done in trauma center. So usme na, I would see that second is important. Even a fraction of second is important. You cannot waste time. I said, no, this is something which I want to do in my clinic. I should be very, very fast, and I cannot waste a single second in the clinic, because nobody likes to keep the mouth open for long and apna dentist kaam karte ja raha hai. So you have to be fast, you have to be quick, and you have to be best. So that way so it's okay, मिस गलतियां हुई हैं, but these are the only things I have. So इसमें क्या होता है कि you could be too much pushy to your staff sometimes. So keeping that nice environment and still achieving, they cannot be relaxed, because there is a balance between it. Sometimes if I ask for something, they should understand the intensity of it. They cannot be casual at that moment. Otherwise, there's no point of having this professional thing. They're casual about the profession, but at the same time, it should not stress or strain their brain. So this is a very difficult thing to achieve. But I have been fortunate that, so you can be very, very angry at somebody, sometimes it can happen, but then they have also reciprocated well, and I have also, then you take care of each other. It's basically a family, after some time. So these are the only things which I feel I could have, but otherwise everything is going on well, and we're learning it.
Yes, and I think, sir, irrespective of that, like the behavior you're telling me, your employees stay with you for so long. I remember, I mean, the associates which I worked with, I think they are still there. So
everybody is there.
Yes, so like they'll shift after marriage or after something, but majority everybody is there with you. So I think they don't mind it because you take care of them so well. It's like, as you said, it's like your family. It's not your staff. It's not employees. It's your family. They share their problems with you. So that is also important when we hire people, and how we treat them is important.
We all are equal, basically. You have to treat everybody equally, and there is a thin line which everybody has to maintain. Even I have to maintain a thin line between me and my junior doctors, and even the staff, and they also have to And there are situations wherein sometimes I tell my reception, अरे तू जरा गलत बोल रही है मेरे साथ, kind of होता है ऐसे. These things happen.